I'm not particularly excited about technology, but I'm excited about how we can learn about cities in a different way. And for that, technology can help. In particular, big data, digital twins, they are a new way we can discover dimensions of cities that we couldn't see before. And that, for anybody dealing with architecture and planning, is a goldmine. I think the biggest challenge today when we look at cities is to find a better alliance between the natural and the artificial world. And actually that's the theme that will be at the core of the Venice Biennale I'm curating this year. I enjoyed very much the conversation at Rebuild this year because they focus on something fundamental, how construction is changing. And there's no doubt that is happening. It started with facade, and now all the buildings are being built off-site and then just mounted on-site. And to me, it's very important when such changes happening. It's important to have people coming together, sharing ideas, and learning from each other. And that's what this is about.